Now that I have the idea, I can proceed with the design, and for the design I have to take pen and paper and write down how many pages my application will have. For every screen I have to draw a rough sketch how it will look and how the content should be aligned. I will start by writing, because if you write you will get more idea. First, I know that I will have a home page. Next, I want to have the coffee shop location, and user can find the coffee shop in Google Maps. So I will have Google, and one page I want to include for favoriting the coffee from list of coffees. For now, I only have these 3 pages in mind, and later on if we get some more ideas I will add it. So I will go to Google and type in coffee app UI design and open some links from here, and I will scroll down and see which one do I like. This one looks better for the coffee detail, so I'm gonna save this image for later reference. So for homepage, I think I can get the same thing here for popular coffees. It will be horizontally scrollable, and the special offer, it will be vertically scrollable. And at the top, instead of this notification, we will have the search, we will have the profile, the logo of our application. And down here, we will have homepage, we will have the favorites, and we will also have the Google Map location that user can find the store location from the Google Map. For detailed page, I think this one is nice. We will have a bigger picture of coffee, back button, favorite, size of coffee, description, and price. That's all. Now let's start with our application.